I'm really pleased to announce that we have just launched our new documentation site for Kowalah, which is going to help anyone that is using the platform to understand exactly how to work your way through most of the core use cases. So just from kowalah.com, you can find this in our resources page under documentation. And you can also go to it directly just at docs.kowalah.com. And once you're in here, you're going to find three main areas. So the first is just learning about Kowalah. So if someone has forwarded this onto you or you're not familiar, then there's a little bit of background about how Kowalah is helping CIOs and IT leaders to navigate the AI purchasing decisions for their organization. Specifically within here, you're going to find an explanation about the 6 buying stages that we have built the Kowalah system around. Identifying you've got an important problem, exploring potential solutions, gathering your requirements from your internal team, selecting a supplier, validating that decision through POCs and customer references, and then consensus, getting everyone on board so that you can move forward with your decision. So you'll get an explanation of all of those and how Gartner defines those within this section. So having got yourself on board, now it's about getting getting started. So you head to your Quickstart here, and this is going to walk you through creating your account and then navigating through your first chat in the dashboard, clicking the various buying stages, creating your first chat and getting in a conversation. Within here, you'll also find details of one of my favorite features of Kowalah, which is projects. And this is where you can bring both yourself and your broader buying team around a particular initiative, such as rolling out an LLM to your entire organization. So that's the get started. And then within the template section up at the top here, I'm going to go into some detail about all of the templates and frameworks that sit behind each of the chats within Kowalah. So problem identification, we've got things like drafting a problem statement, gathering stakeholder feedback, building a business case. And for each of these, you'll find why we have that template within the platform, what that template looks like, and then some examples of how you can structure your chats with Kowalah around that specific template. And the key thing here is that Kowalah is not just a chatting interface, it's about getting work done. You, as a CIO, as an IT leader, have got jobs to be done that involve selecting and choosing and rolling out these platforms. And in many situations, that involves creating documentation that you can use to navigate your buying group and your senior executive, which might be your CFO that's got to sign this thing off through this process. So the templates will give you an idea of the documents and the frameworks that you can create through Kowalah. And then the guides will explain how you can go through and create those effectively for your own organization. So that is our new documentation. So either at docs.kowalah.com or just go to kowalah.com and you'll find it in our resources section.